In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check in on the American Airlines app. Checking in for your flight using a mobile app makes the entire process quick, easy, and efficient, allowing you to bypass long lines at the airport and get your boarding pass right on your smartphone. To get started, ensure you have the American Airlines app installed on your device. If you haven't already, head over to your device's app store, search for American Airlines, and download it. Once installed, open the app. It's helpful to have your login details ready if you haven't logged in before. Signing in ensures that all your booked flights are accessible right at your fingertips. After signing in, you'll notice several options on the home screen. Look for the check-in option, which is usually easy to spot. Once you tap on it, the app might automatically prompt you to enter your flight details if it doesn't pull them up from your account. If prompted, have your flight confirmation number available or your frequent flyer details handy to make it easier. Once you enter the necessary information, look for the Confirm or Next button to proceed. Here's where the magic happens. The app will process your check-in request and then offer you the option to select or confirm your seat. If you'd like to change your seat or upgrade, this is the time to do it. Otherwise, you can simply agree to the seat already assigned to you. Always double-check your assigned seat to ensure it meets your preferences or needs. Next, the app might ask you to review important travel and health advisory information related to your destination. Make sure to read through any messages thoroughly, as some destinations require additional steps, such as filling out health declarations or other forms in advance. This step is crucial for a hassle-free travel experience. Once you've completed this, you're ready to receive your boarding pass. The app will generate a digital boarding pass, which you can keep in the app itself or save to your device's wallet for quick access. Make sure to save it if your phone's battery is likely to run low, to avoid fumbling with it at the airport. As a final check, go through all the travel details presented, ensuring everything is correct. You're in charge of verifying your flight number, departure time, and boarding group. With that done, you are officially checked in and ready to make your way to the airport. Congratulations! You've just learned how to check in for your flight using the American Airlines app. You're now set to have a more seamless airport experience, without the pressure or time constraints that sometimes accompany traditional check-in methods. Enjoy your journey, and safe travels!